There's something special about arriving at Duxford early, as the airfield wakes up around you. On this day I was joining the Flying Comrades for an adventure I've been looking forward to for a long time. I say that, I was only made aware of this opportunity a week prior, but even still, it felt like the longest week of my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to IWM Duxford. We're here on the ground again, second week on the row. And standing behind me, I'm going to say it again, is a lovely, beautiful Yak 52. This one's Juliet Bravo. Now, I'm actually going flying in this particular aeroplane in about 10-15 minutes time because we're en route to Shuttleworth for the Shuttleworth Festival of Flight airshow for Sunday. Now, the rest of the footage we've got in the background here is the Flying Comrades. We've got all three of the aeroplanes here, we're ready to go. We've got Phil's Yak 52, we've got the Yak 18, and we've got the other Yak 52 parked behind me here. So the plan is to depart here from Duxford. We're going to fly over to Shuttleworth to Old Warden Airfield. We're going to fly in formation. I'm going to get some really beautiful shots on my phone and on my 360 camera in the cockpit. Once we land in Shuttleworth, we're going to rig the cameras up. They're going to do their display, and then we're going to get a lovely flight back. And fingers crossed, we're going to get a formation flight with ready for duty the C-47 on the way home from Shuttleworth. So I'm looking forward to that. Hope you enjoy the video, and welcome to Miles High Aviation.
The team were getting ready for the flight up to Shuttleworth, where they will be displaying at the Festival of Flight airshow. Every detail matters, from the briefing to the walk-around checks. These aircraft might be from another era, but they're kept in beautiful condition and flown with care. It wasn't long before I was strapped in, ready to join the formation. I had my phone and my GoPro 360 at the ready to try and capture what it's like, but nothing compares to seeing it with your own eyes. Flying in formation looks effortless from the ground, but inside it's a constant dance of tiny corrections. Reading the other aircraft, trusting your team. Shuttleworth is a special place, one of the most historic airfields in the world and a perfect setting for what was to come. Before any display, the hard work happens on the ground. I watched as Phil, Alex and Tom talk through every detail, every manoeuvre and every change of formation, planned out in advance.
Second after, yeah. And we'll go down and we're going to stop short of the signal square. We're going to wait for everyone to be down, so we'll do the power checks on the way out. Yeah. So how I envisage it going is you'll see me just kick off tail to runway.
Yeah.
Try and do the same. Yeah, just try, and then canopy. Al, you'll be the back canopy. Yeah. So Tom, you only do your canopy when Al's on his. Check, check, check. And then, yeah, we'll get cleared on. So we're going to go down onto 30, right turn, and then into the stack. And I'll just call rolling and pretty much get going. So if we get onto the runway in launch order, so 1, 3, 2, I'll call rolling in 5. We'll get going. Everyone gear up, right turn. So Tom, you're going to join him first on. Yeah. So I'd say just use the corner because Alex is behind you now. So to get up and in. Al, you got the turn. Yeah. And then if we're not in position, I'll do a left hand or right hand orbit, whoever's missing. And then we'll go from the run in. Is that happy? Yeah. So I'll go from Vic. So that's Dayton. Okay. 32 Kings Club in a Foxmouth. Okay, so Comrades running in, so it's going to be quite a tight topside pass all the way around. I'm going to start the climb. It's going to be reversing the turn now. Round we go. Be gentle with me. So we can push and be rolling out. Right 360, right turn, go. Right 360. Round we go. Increasing the bank. We back through the gap, minding the house. Rolling out. And I might just drift us left and then coming right. So we'll come round to the right, we'll go deep into that hole, and then I'll be reversing left now. So I'm going to come back on the sea, through the gap. 3, break out, go.
Freeze out.
We're going to go up to the right. We'll set up in a right-hand hold.
That's where this one hails from.
I'll say one's ready.
This one was shipped direct from Canada to New Zealand on manufacture. It was registered in 1947.
No,
We're just ready.
Yeah. Okay, 1 and 2 are running in on the 230. So it's going to be loop, pull, go. 1, 2, 3. Throttle at the top, down, back in, and up to the hill. I'll look over and I'll go brake, brake, go. Gentle squeeze left. Wing over down, props up. Check the speed up. Hesitation, roll round, out, left, round to the right, back down, barrel roll round, up, round we go. 1 running out, so I'm going to go for the 150 metre line, 100 feet, tally,
Smoke on.
up we go. You're in 180. I'm going to get up here, and you're going to go there. So we're going to carry an orbit.
2's running out.
1 running in. So we're down the 230 line. Smoke on, M11.
Tally. Pull.
Round we go.
Get it right.
So I'll now check the time. Round to the left for a line astern. On the concave. Roll it out to the right. Coming left with an echelon left. Go. Okay, so on full chat. I've got an echelon left with flat pass. I'm going to come left. Reversing right. Now, Vic, go.
2, 3. 2's clear. 2's in.
So it'd be time check at this point. Either into a 360, assuming we've done that round to the brake. So call ready for the brake.
2's ready.
And it'll be brake, brake, go.
45. Pull.
Thank you. Up, pause. 1, 2. Gear. And then through to landing, so you're going to go round.
Freeze on base.
Final call.
Landing that way.
Yeah, we'll land on 20. Yeah, and then safe taxi speed, slow lane right, just off the runway.
Yeah.
ASAP.
Yeah.
Formation shutdown.
Voice shut down.
So whoever was in first, it'd be Al.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you just park there. I'll come in.
Yeah.
We come in.
Yeah.
Rev it up
Yeah.
and then kill it.
Fine. Remember the smoke on, smoke off calls?
Yeah. I'll use it judiciously.
Yeah.
So for the key passes, and I want to make sure you got enough.
The plan was set, the briefing was done,
Good,
now
happy?
all that was left was to fly.
P's and Q's, all good? Good. Let's do it.